It's coming down.
I have to patch my husband's work jeans patches again. He just goes right through his patches. See, this is the last patch. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is a little surprise for him. A heart, because a heart means I love you. Now he does have a little hole going over here, so I think I'm gonna put a little patch right there. Let's see how that looks. That's a terrible laugh. Placement. I don't want to go over that, although my machine is really good and it would go over it. But let's pin it. Now we're ready to sew. I'm just going to use my black thread because that's what's in my machine. Now, just like any project, I want to make sure that I'm getting the flat fabric. I want the fabric to be touching the machine. Let's get in here and start at the point. Now I think we'll start right here because that's the easiest. Come down. And let's start. Here's your shorts.
I love it. Like a little hot on the crotch. That's great. I'll cherish this forever.
I'll leave you with some pictures of my pretty flowers in my gardens. But if you really want to know what my husband said when I showed him the shorts, you have to go to my shorts, SHORTS, and see, because it was kind of funny. So thanks for watching.